Hey everyone, there's been a lot of small features added to Midjourney recently, and I thought I'd go over them in this video. The first thing I want to show you is one of my favorite features. They had this months ago in version 3 and it was finally brought back. Dash video. A sandcastle on Mars, unsplash. And the key thing here is to add dash video to the end of your prompt. And once it's made, you can react to the image with the envelope emoji. This will of course give you the job ID and the seed number, but it will also give you a video of that generation being made. You can click and watch it straight from Discord, or you can open a new link. Oh, and you can see it be created in real time. It's a little niche, but I've always been a big fan of that feature. Unfortunately, it does not work with upscale, only the original grid. The next quality of life feature that got added has to do with the describe command. You're gonna hit describe, we're gonna upload an image, it'll give us the 4 prompts, but now we can just hit imagine all instead of going one by one. Just a little time saver for you. Next up is a quicker way to conserve some of your fast hours. You can add dash relax right into your prompt and have that prompt be generated using the relax mode, which means it might take a little longer, but it's not costing you any of your fast hours. Alternatively, if you've been generating in relax mode, you can add dash fast to your prompt if you want to use some of your hours and see that one a little quicker. Just a small quality of life change there as well. Another little shortcut that they added has to do with the weird command. You can now simply use dash W to trigger it. The weird parameter also now works in Midjourney. This is some weird looking happy birds. I think these fish are pretty cool. Oh, and look, the dogs are done. Oh, they are so cute. And one last thing I can show you has to do with the panning feature. Let's say we hit down to see more of this bird. Once the pan is complete, you'll see that there are no variation buttons. Well, you can actually just hit the reroll button and get 4 more options. That's it. That's some of these smaller features that have been added recently and things that you should know about. Don't forget to check out my free PDFs in the description. There's a new one involving ad libs and helping you create your own prompts. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Peace.